fuck you. I hope you get hit by a pando. You eat junk food. You're grounded for 296463816251910548100162663 centuries. I hope you die right now. Wow.